Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in textbooks. This is an English question. It is an imperial question. So we want to find the weight or the force of gravity for this mass, where the mass is 150 pound mass lbm and the gravity is 32 feet per second squared. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. Next, list all the given values and what you're trying to find, the unknown. This will help you figure out formulas. Step 2, find the formula for force. F is equal to ma, where F is equal to W, which is equal to weight, which is what we're trying to find. Step 3, find the force because everything's given. So 150 lbm, pound mass, multiplied by the acceleration. And then you multiply that to become pound force. So 1 pound force, or 1 lbf, is equal to 32.174 pound mass foot per second squared. Okay, so we get 4,800 pound force, and 1 pound force is equal to 4.4482 newtons. So we multiply these together and we get 21,351.36 newtons. So we have answered the question. Find the weight or the force in both pound force and in newtons, and newtons should be capital because it's a name. Okay, before we leave, I encourage you to save this video on your computer just in case it gets taken down. So use your snipping tool. I'm sure you know how to use that. You can pause the video if you don't. Just follow the steps. So click on the video option, click on new, left click drag, and then cover the YouTube screen. Then click start, wait for the countdown, click replay, hit the red square, stop recording, and save the video. Alright, like and subscribe. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Leave a comment below if this was helpful. Alright, until next time, see ya.